Welcome, today I'm with XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you have to press with your finger on your screen for a few seconds, and just here you will see the settings icon. Tap on this icon and right there you will see the transition effects section. Tap on this section and right now you can see and select one from the animation. For example, I will go in with this rotate animation. Now just tap to done and tap here, and as can you see, our transition has changed successfully. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.